You'll use the levels effect to adjust the shadows, remove the blue cast, and make the image pop a little more. You'll work on the clips individually, starting with the second clip. Go to 4 seconds in the time ruler. Click an empty area of the timeline panel to deselect the layers, and then select the superkid_02.mov layer. Press Enter or Return, and rename the layer Wide Shot. Then press Enter or Return again to accept the new name. With the Wide Shot layer selected, choose Effect, Color Correction, Levels Individual Controls. The Levels Individual Controls effect may be a little intimidating at first, but it can give you great control over your shot. It remaps the range of input color or alpha channel levels onto a new range of output levels, functioning much the same as the levels adjustment in Adobe Photoshop. To remove a color cast, you must first know which areas of the image are supposed to be gray or black or white. In this shot, the driveway is gray, the shirt is white, and the shoes and goggles are black. Open the Info panel. Then move the cursor over the white frame of the garage door. As you move the cursor, the RGB values change in the Info panel. In one area of the garage door frame, the RGB values are R186, G218, and B239. To determine what the values should be, divide 255, the highest possible RGB value, by the highest value of the sample. That gives you 255 divided by 239, the blue value, or 1.08. To equalize the colors so that blue is no longer prominent, multiply 1.08 by the original red and green values. That would be 186 and 218 respectively. The new values, rounded, are 200 for red and 233 for green. In the Effect Controls panel, expand the red and green properties. For the red input white value, enter 200. For the green input white value, enter 233. The blue cast is gone and the image appears warmer. For each channel, the input settings increase the value, while the output settings decrease the value. For example, lowering the red input white value adds red to the highlights in the shot, and increasing the red output white value adds red to the shadows or dark areas of the shot. Performing the math lets you zero in on the appropriate settings quickly. If you prefer, you could experiment with the settings to find the best value for the footage you're using. Hide the Levels Individual Controls property in the Effect Controls panel.